Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download your performance metrics from BetterUp to share on LinkedIn, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download your performance metrics from BetterUp, start by logging into your BetterUp account. Navigate to the dashboard after logging in. Look for the Performance tab located in the menu. Click on the Performance tab to access your metrics. Once on the Performance page, locate the section that displays your most recent metrics. You may see options to view different time frames for your metrics, such as weekly or monthly. Select the time frame that you wish to download. After choosing the time frame, look for a download icon or button. This is usually represented by an arrow pointing downward. Click on the download button to initiate the download process. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm your download. Confirm the action to download your performance metrics. Your metrics will be saved as a file, typically in a CSV or PDF format. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder to locate the file. Open the downloaded file to review your performance metrics. Check for the specific information you want to share on LinkedIn. Now, head to your LinkedIn profile. Log in if you aren't already signed in. Once on your profile, look for the area where you want to share your metrics. Consider creating a new post to highlight your achievements. Copy the key metrics or insights you find valuable. Paste them into your LinkedIn post. You can also add a few personal thoughts or reflections about your growth. Once you're satisfied with your post, click on the Post button to share it with your network. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded your performance metrics from BetterUp and shared them on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.